back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome. In fact, you're a correct guy, you're a correct girl. Please and please consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of this wonderful family there is online. I'm telling you, ask around. This is the best family you could ever be with online. My name is Esther Ogala. I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria. If you're a lover of sports, food, travel, lifestyle vlogs, just pay for membership because these are the content this channel dishes out. Make it a date with me every Wednesdays and Sundays. Yes, we assemble here every of these days. Now here we do our assembly, period. Notice that my mood today, the energy today is different. It had to be different, as in it just had to be. New family members that joined this channel after my previous wedding videos, I'm like, na so una like wedding reach. Is that how much you guys enjoy wedding videos? It's about time I start doing mugbomoya, which means do not invite me, but I attend, so that I can provide wedding videos for you. Anyways, in today's video, I would be reviewing the XHC ginger shampoo and the XHC ginger conditioner. Is it worth buying? Can my brothers and sisters go a day without itching the scalp after use? Is it suitable for natural hair? We're about to find out. Okay, so one thing I like about this product, it just has to be the smell. Like, this product is not so heavy on the hair. Ginger helps stimulate your hair follicles. In turn, promotes hair growth. The fatty acids, the vitamins, and the mineral present in ginger helps combat against hair loss. Now, having ginger infused in a shampoo or a conditioner, of course, translates that the ginger is definitely going to work its magic to promote hair growth and healthy hair. It is an excellent shampoo and conditioner because it's not so heavy, and that's very helpful against hair breakage. However, I think that these products could have been more excellent, if there's a word like that. Yes, more excellent, because I feel like the container, the bottle, or the packaging would have been a bit bigger for that same amount to do. I kid you not. The African blood flows in my vein. Bigger for lesser price, sha. Amen? Amen. Just in case you're wondering if, as a relaxed hair carrier, if you can use this product. Yes, you can. Because I know someone who is a relaxed hair carrier and She has tried this product and her reviews were good. Each of these products, that's the shampoo and the conditioner, is sold for 8,000 naira. Now, I saw a YouTuber by the name Miss Beauty London saying she bought hers for £1. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Well, she says she bought hers from Pounderland in the UK. Well, I got mine from Temple Hill in Nigeria for 8,000 naira. The XHC shampoo and conditioner is actually higher than that of Vinox or some other brands, Nigerian brands. So these products last for a month plus. But if you wash your hair twice a week like I do, you will definitely use it for a month max. As you can see, it is finished. I used the last one, the shampoo and the conditioner, for this video. That was the last one I used, so I have exhausted mine, and I always use it twice a week. So yeah, 1 month it is max. The XHC shampoo and XHC conditioner, which is also known as Expel Hair Care, comes in other flavors, say bananas, tea tree, and charcoal. So if you want me to review any of these other flavors, let me know in the comment section. Why am I saying flavors? That's what it's called, yeah. If you want me to make a review on any of these other flavored XHC anti-dandruff shampoos and the XHC anti-dandruff conditioner, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do well to jump on it. Ladies and gentlemen, it is about time I drop the mic. Wait, before I drop the mic, have you subscribed? If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe, and also do well to check my other videos. By the way, I have a video on how to get rid of dandruff overnight. I'm going to be leaving the link of that video in the description box. Do well to check that if you need it, or you have anyone who needs this. Do not be stingy, share. Until I see you in my next one, keep on being amazing, keep on doing you, keep on loving you. Love and light always.